Universe strikes again. The next page in the journey seems to be playing out, which is very interesting. I've found myself slightly at a crossroads, but in a very positive. I feel very positive about it. So, met a friend yesterday at the airport. She's coming over to spend a couple of days experiencing a bit of van life. What is this building here? I don't know. Built in the 16th century, the citadel is one of Europe's first bastion fortifications. What are you doing? You know, I'm starting to feel quite open to the idea of making that change, and the fact that 10 minutes after picking someone up from the airport, I've had a bit of a issue come up. I'm like, rather than start thinking about how I can repair the issue, I'm now considering about removing the issue altogether. So that's where my head's at today. A goal for me in the coming weeks is going to be to get a GoPro so I can get some more improved underwater footage for future videos. This is with Fran, Jessica. I've made the mistake calling her Fran and she went mental. How's it been, you know, the last couple of days in Nice? Have you enjoyed it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, what would you say has been your highlight?
Just sitting on the beach all day doing nothing, in the sun.
Exactly. Yeah.
While everyone's at home in England, miserable.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just with
Zain
and
Julia.
and they're both from whereabouts?
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur. We're just discussing Kuala Lumpur and Malaysia and the beauties of Malaysia. And Terima kasih, right?
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama. Supposed to be going to Genoa, but at the minute I'm struggling to drive 680 metres down the hill. Francesca's got to go to the airport today, so we need to make a decision as to how she's going to get there. How are we going to get to the airport, to Genoa?
If I start walking now, I might make it in time for someone else's flight. Right, just wanted to ask a little question, a few questions, right? What would you describe, what word would you use to describe the last couple of days with me on this amazing road trip where we've done 10, how many kilometres have we done? 1? Yeah, about that, 1.2.
And what word would you use if you had one word to describe the van life experience? What would you say?
Interesting.
Interesting. Look at that for a boat. That is massive. Sea Dream Yacht Club. It's so big, it's a club. It's its own club. Anything else you got to add to the van life experience? What have you got?
I think if I did it again, I'd do it for longer.
What, as in like try and drive further?
Yeah, but maybe...
It's a similar kind of problem, I think. I haven't looked into it. I've done something this time which I've not done previously. I've just not even looked at it because I want to reflect on the situation a little bit more, and I don't just want to jump straight into trying to fix it. I want to sort of, you know, try to, hence, you know, I put the poll on Instagram there. I know. Thanks to everyone who voted in the poll. I do take note of everything that comes back when I do put these things out there. I know it's more about myself trying to decide on what I want, but you know, I'm kind of putting it out there to see, you know, what kind of feeling other people are getting when they follow in my story and looking at, you know, what I'm doing, what kind of feeling they get. So it's definitely the colour, not the It's not the worst place to break down though. I mean, I'm in Villefranche-sur-Mer. Obviously, I'm documenting and showing the the location of where I am. So in that respect, it's wonderful. We're in a good place. Obviously, it's near Monaco and stuff, so it's a pricey area. But yeah, I'm just parked up, man. Just parked up, and got all my diving gear. Just got a wetsuit. So I'm gonna do more free diving. But yeah, trying to very much reflect on why this has come up again. What kind of direction or what it is that I'm doing. Much love, guys. Oh my. Been a fun few days here in Villefranche-sur-Mer. Thanks for staying up to date with my journey, and stay tuned for the next one.